Alright guys, this is the last one for the evening, I promise. I'm on a roll. I'm enjoying myself. Whoo! I just gave myself so much stuff to test. And I still got stuff to test. I still got the soundboard over there. And I'm just adding more stuff. But it's so much fun. Alright y'all. Back again with the last video of the evening. What I have right here for you guys and gals is my unboxing and first impressions of the LABVON M3 Bluetooth earbuds. This is the LABVON Sport M3 Bluetooth earbuds, and we're just gonna spoil it right now. I think I've been smiling too much. My face hurts. I'm smiling so hard back here, y'all can't even see it. But we're gonna spoil this right now. I picked these guys up for $10. $10. Let's see what they do, shall we? Let's unbox this. Let's get into this. Let's go. It's alright. Alright, let's see. Working with here. Really need to grow out my fingernails. Cracking them up, and I ripped the box already. Struggles on deck. Okay, that's salvageable. So cracking open the box, y'all. Bumping the camera. Sorry, y'all. Alright, see what we working with here. So, got the headphones themselves. Let's see what else we got. Nothing else in the box. It's empty, y'all. Alright. Okay. We got instructions on the back. So, got them young parent instructions on the back. Let me let that focus so y'all can pause and read that for yourself. We're going to go over that in the full review. You know how we do. Alright. Really clean box. Oh. Has the specifications on the side of the box. So again, let me let that focus. Come on, Moto X. Don't play with the people now. There we go. Alright, so specifications. Each earbud has an 80 milliamp hour battery in it. You should get about 4 hours of playtime and about 100 hours of standby, 4 hours of talk time, and it has a 1 hour charge time. It works on iOS and Android, and it has Bluetooth version 4.2 in it, and it has a 10-meter range. And it pretty much says the same thing on this side of the box. Alright, so that's the young specifications there. We're going to put it to the test in the full review. Alright, let's get into this. So taking this tape off here. Micro USB charging cable. Pretty small one. Changeable ear tips. Look like they sent me one with wings. And it has wings on it already. Yes. I like wings, guys. Wings are growing on me. Alright, so that's everything. That's it. Nothing else in there. Throw that off to the side. Bam! Pretty standard, small micro USB cable. Keep it 100. Probably not going to use that. Got a ton of these. I got longer ones that I probably use. Small ones never tend to be long enough. So let's just throw this off to the side. Got a mess going on over there. Changeable ear tips. Look like we got our mediums and our smalls. So, yep, that looks about medium and small. So that means that the large ear tips are already on the earphones. Yep, they look, actually that looks like a small almost. I'm not sure. Got your LABVON branding on this. So branded on that side. Not branded on this side, but that looks like that's the power on multifunction button there. Volume up and down on that side there. Boom. I'm really liking the red and black design. And that branding is pretty minimal, gotta say. Anywho, let me go ahead and try these on, and then we're gonna come back and wrap up the video. So give me a second, guys. Matter of fact, I feel bad. I never leave you guys anything to look at while I try these on. So, check her out. She work out. 1 second, y'all. I'm sorry. Let me try these on. Alright, let me make sure. Putting it in the right ear. So this one label left. So that one label right. Oh, good. It's made for right-handies. Ah, man. I like that. A lot of the times the really good stuff is made for the left-handers. And I'm right-handed. So a lot of the time I'm reaching for the right. And it's on the other side. And I'm like, oh. And it feels kind of awkward when I go to the other side. So, putting these in the ear. Feels pretty good. These wings go in your ear. It feels solid, but I feel like if I start sweating or something, it may slide out. But who knows? I think I like the other wings, like on the Anbert U8. But we're going to put this to the test, and I'll let you guys know. Let you guys know what the battery life look like. Let you guys know if the charging times are correct. Yeah. Feels good. The inside wings I'm not too confident about, but I'll let you guys know in the full review. Anywho. Yep. That has been my unboxing and first impressions of the LABVON Sport M3 Bluetooth earbuds. Now, this review should probably take me about a week and a half to 2 weeks from the posting of this video. So let's just run through that because I posted a ton of stuff today. And it might come out tomorrow depending on my internet speed. So I'm going to set it to post tonight. It'll probably be uploading and posting when I'm in bed. So let's go through what all we did today. Let's run down today's events. I shot the unboxing and full review for the Cree R BH8 Bluetooth headphones. So tongue-tied, can't even talk. So that unboxing and full review is going up today because I've been using it for about 2 weeks, almost 2.5 weeks. So that one's going up today. Also, the Anbert U8 Bluetooth earphones, that unboxing and full review is going up today. Now, I shot that one. It was good, so I'm going to go ahead and post that, and I'm going to post the review right behind it. Then, what else did we do? I also shot my unboxing and first impressions of the LG Stylo 3 from Straight Talk. So that one's going up today. That full review. Just to let y'all know the order, okay? Now, I got to get back on track because the Christmas and New Year's kind of threw me off, all the family and things. So, I'll probably do the S-Bodes first. Okay? Probably do the S-Bode first. Followed by the Universal Stand. The Let Me Call Universal Stand. And the lavalier clip-on CQ microphone. which is the mic that I'm using to record the audio for this video. So I'll probably do those first, because I had those videos up before Christmas and New Year's, and New Year's kind of threw it off. Okay? Then you're probably going to see the Crear BH8 Bluetooth headphones go up. And then you're probably going to see the Anbert U8 earphones go up, followed by the Omaker M6. Probably going to see that one go up next. And then, so I'll probably have to do, y'all will get it. So y'all probably see that one go up next. And then you're going to see one of my favorites. I can't wait, man. I can't wait. The Bluetooth Hurricane Turbine T4S Bluetooth headphones. That one will go up after that. And then we will round out the uploads with this one. The LABVON Sport M3 Bluetooth earphones. So I'm getting ready to drop a bunch of stuff tonight, and it probably won't finish uploading till tomorrow sometime. But it is what it is. Anywho, I feel like I said the outro already, but say it one more time. Anywho, if you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Again, if you enjoyed this video, oh no, I said it already. Again, if you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified when I post new videos. And as always, guys and gals, if y'all know anyone out there, if you guys and gals know anyone out there that's looking for some high quality, affordable devices and products at some really great prices, please share with them my channel, because I'm doing this for everyone, because we all deserve the best. There's probably a sleepless night in my future. Anyways, I hope everyone has a good evening, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace.